do is you assemble the solar module. So we've got our solar module kind of in place, and then each of the pieces are labeled. They have different numbers on them. So we're well on way to making our gearbox. The solar module is going to go into the gear house. Alright, now we're assembling the motor part. You can see it's got a whole bunch of gears in here. We're almost there. Now we put this casing on the top. Everything seemed to snap into place nicely. So now we got the gearbox and the solar panel together. So we will see how this goes together when we build the T-Rex. So let's check that out now. All right, here's our first T-Rex part. And it looks as though it goes together nice and easily like that. Alright, now the gearbox and the solar panel kind of go together like this, it shows. Just like that. So it looks like the head of the T-Rex is going to be the solar panel at this point. So you pull those T-Rex arms out. Cool. And this piece is the tail. And the tail goes right here like this. Cool. Look. It's looking like a T-Rex. Alright, here's his right leg. Or left leg. I don't know which one it is. But it snaps in here like that. Like that. And this part goes up. Oh, it goes into that part. Okay, that's it. So that goes in there. Bang. Nice! T-Rex coming together. Alright, now his other leg. Let's get this on. There it goes. Oops. Bang. So it slides on right like that. T-Rex is looking pretty nice. So the T4 is completely solar powered, so you'll never need to buy batteries. And it will give your child a new understanding of solar power as a